కానీ 14 years అప్పుడు ముమైత్
13 years
అప్పుడు ముమైత్ ఆ మనీ గురించే బయటకు వచ్చింది ఇంట్లో నుంచి, కరెక్టా?
From the age of 13 I started working because in all my previous interviews, if you have seen that we have reached to the position where my mom used to even search for 50 paisa in the house.
Okay. What was your dad by that time?
My dad was retired. He used to work for Mahindra & Mahindra. He was the main manager. He retired because earlier 51 they used to retire, right?
Okay.
My dad is 66 man, 68. 66, 68.
When you was 13?
No, now.
Now,
My mother is 59 now.
no, by the time when
He was retired, na babe. Company
When you were 13, he retired.
Of course,
Okay.
I was born late.
Okay.
My older sister, she is 41, 75 born. Zabain was born after 9 years, huge gap.
Okay, totally you are three
sisters.
Three sisters.
Yeah, I'm the youngest.
Okay.
I'm the youngest.
Yeah.
इसके लिए तो वही एक था कि जब मैं कर सकती हूँ इतना मेजर, जो अभी भी मेरा लाइफ रिस्क है, इवन राइट नाउ माई लाइफ इज ऑन रिस्क टिल
Because
टुडे.
of that injury.
Yeah, babe, I'm not supposed to work for 2 years. It's only going to be 1 year now.
Yes.
I did Super 2 within 3 months. After that, I finished so many, like Tikka shoot, I finished it. Then there was a song, I finished it. Then there was Ma award show, I finished it. Then there was this event, I have to go, I have to finish. Then this Gemini I did. So I've been going, I've been active, but not that active when I used to be 4 years back, because that time I used to only work. Because there was no personal life. Babe, I never saw my teens.
Yes, yes.
Okay, I never saw my teens, I never saw my 20s. At the age of 26, I decided to take a break.
Okay.
From the age of 13 till 26, continuously day and night I was working. And at the age of 26, I decided to take a break. Was it wrong? No.
No.
क्योंकि मैंने तो मेरा बचपना भी नहीं देखा, मेरा पर्सनल लाइफ भी नहीं है, मेरा कुछ भी नहीं, सिर्फ माँ बाप को ही देखा है मैंने. सो ऑब्वियसली आई डिजर्व दैट ब्रेक. व्हेन आई टुक द ब्रेक, हाउ पीपल स्टार्टेड टॉकिंग एंड आई फाइंड इट सो पैथेटिक एंड पिटी ऑन देम कि ठीक है यार, उनका भी घर मेरे बुराई करने से ही चलता है. चला ले भाई, कर ले, प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. सो दैट्स व्हाट.
ఎక్కడ బేసిక్ ఎక్కడ మీది, నేటివ్ ఎక్కడ?
बॉम्बे.
బాంబే.
Yeah, Mumbai. I'm born and brought up in Mumbai.
ఓకే.
My father is from Pakistan. My mother is from Chennai, Trishnapalli.
ఓకే.
Yeah.
13 yearsలో ఓన్లీ ఫినాన్షియల్ ప్రాబ్లం వల్లే ముమైత్ ఇక్కడికి వచ్చేసింది.
No, not see, financial problem was there, but then Mumbai doesn't know where to go and find the money.
Then
Luckily it happened. My sister was in college. Then in college, you know, you have this social events and yearly event होता है ना, annual
Anniversary,
events and all that
farewells,
जो college में होता है. Babe, I'm only 8th grade student, babe. I'm just a 8th grade student. I failed once because of Marathi. Because of Marathi, I failed once. So I was in 8th, Zabain was in 11th. She was in 11th standard and I was in 8th. And that's where she told me, Munnu, because I love dancing since my childhood. So she was like, Munnu, tu mujhe sikhayegi mere college aake. I was like, okay. So I thought her when her function happened. So the light guy who does firework on the set, shooting people, the fire effects and the smoke effect and all that. Salim was the guy who saw Zabain. Kya ye ladki to achhi hai. And that time Remo just left Ahmed Khan.
ఓకే.
The DID Remo, ABCD2 director Remo. He left Ahmed Khan just then. And he was looking for girls to create a group
ఓకే.
for Remo. So Remo started as a choreographer. We started as a background dancer. So Zabain said it, I will only do it if you allow my sister to do it.
Oh, she wanted to go along with you.
Yeah, because she knows she will never get to go alone for sure. So the only way was me.
Okay.
And she knew it that I used to love, because my mom said it since the time I started walking, I used to dance. I used to only dance. My mother said it. This is a fact. Maybe that's the reason why I'm still like this. So she said it, अभी बहन रहेगी साथ में तो माँ तो मना ही नहीं करेगी. और माँ की मजबूरी. करेक्ट, माँ की मजबूरी, क्या कर सकती, कुछ नहीं कर. एक तो वी कम फ्रॉम अ पठान फैमिली, ऑल आवर कजिन्स दे वेयर बुरखा, हिजाब, सलवार कमीज एंड ऑल दैट. माय फादर कम्स फ्रॉम अ प्रॉपर पठान बैकग्राउंड. तो माँ was like a eagle in the house. My माँ is like a bull. She is a very strong woman. मेरा माँ इतना strong है, इतना strong lady है ना, समझ लेना वो शेर है तो इसके लिए वो 1.25 शेर पैदा किया है.
Wow.
हाँ, मेरा अम्मा इतना स्ट्रांग है, खड़े खड़े फाड़ देगा किसको भी, इतना स्ट्रांग है, दिमाग पर आके हमको नहीं छोड़ती. She doesn't leave my father also. She doesn't leave me and my father. गाली गाली, like बिंदास गाली she gives it. So बचपन से देखा है, माँ ने बोला है बेटा एक मार खा के कोई भी आए ना घर पे मैं मारूंगी तुम लोग को.
Wow.
So that is my mother word. So that's the reason why. So माँ ऐसा था, ज़बाइन को मिला, and then ज़बाइन came and spoke to mother. And plus you have a situation in the house where you cannot do anything because you are in need of that. So still my mother was like, this is only one time, huh? If your father gets to know, na, he will kill me. He will. My father is Pathan. Touch wood. वो माँ ने तो बचपन से डर डाल के रखा था. आज बड़े होने के बाद when I see my father, he is such a gentleman. वो पहले से वैसे ही थे. See, माँ ने ना दिल में डर डाल के रखा था कि तेरे पापा मारेंगे. तो वो उसके बाद से एक बार हाथ चुप छुपा के माँ का मजबूरी ना भेजेगा तो गया. We did a shoot. My first payment was 750 rupees. So we bought 1500 at home.
You both?
We
got?
both.
Okay, 750, 750.
Yeah, we bought
Okay.
1500 at home first time. बस उसके बाद स्कूल. फिर एक महीने बाद कॉल आ गया because for all the others they were looking for dancers and me and Zabain we were young because we were Pathan. We grew up very early. Our body, our structure, it grew up early because being Pathan and South Indian, even you know, South Indian girls कितना जल्दी they look mature. At the age of 12, 13 they look very mature. तो अभी मैं mixed breed है. I'm a mixed breed of Pathan and South Indian. तो वो तो और भी जल्दी इंसान बड़ा दिख गया. You won't believe when I was 13 I used to look like 17 or 18 years old.
Okay.
और आज तो एज बढ़ती ही नहीं है 31 होने के बाद भी नहीं लगती बुढ़ी में.
It's not like it. Okay.
No, I'm seriously telling you, it's just a hereditary and nothing else. It's in the genes. So that was a plus point. That's it. Nothing else.
Did anybody tell you about your eyes? It's like greenish.
No, this is lens.
Okay.
It was dark brown, but then I have noticed after my operation, when I see myself in the mirror, it's coming lighter brown.
Oh.
I don't know, babe. I'm being very honest.
Okay.
I'm being very honest. This is a lens what I wear. But if I take it out, earlier it was chocolate brown. You know, you have black. जैसा उनका भी chocolate brown है, or you have a chocolate brown. It was that. But since 1 year when I'm seeing my eyes, it's becoming lighter brown.
Okay.
मैंने मेरी माँ को भी बोला, just a week back I told her, मैंने माँ मेरी आइज का कलर ऐसा हो रहा है, ये कुछ है क्या? नहीं ना बेटा इतना ऐसा, you know how mother are. अच्छा ठीक है, stop it. She's a funny man. So this is how life is, man. This is how it goes.
You did piercing on your tongue, and
Yeah,
you're
yeah.
famous for that, no? Tongue में the piercing. I'm sorry,
Yes.
show to camera if you.
It is there since ages. I did when I was 18 years old. I'm 31 now.
తినేటప్పుడు ప్రాబ్లం అనిపించదా?
यार इट्स लाइक हियरिंग है क्या, ये हमेशा ये क्वेश्चन क्यों आता है? खाना खाने के बाद अटकता नहीं है. नो, इट्स द सेम थिंग लाइक योर पियर्सिंग.
piercing, but you won't eat from here, no?
अरे इसको ये क्या मतलब हो गया? इट्स जस्ट नॉर्मल लाइक अ नॉर्मल पियर्सिंग.
Okay.
दो
And
बार
you
तो
have
मैंने
tattoos
बाबल
too.
खा लिया है, एक दो बार तो अंदर खा भी लिया है. But it's fun, yeah, babe. This is how life is. You're supposed to be happy. Do things what you love to do in your
Yes.
life. Don't listen to others. कुछ नहीं मिलने वाला.
అండ్ ముమ్మాయి కానీ దాని గురించే బాగా ఏది అంటే అది ఏది లోపల ఉంటుందో అదే చెప్తుంది అని.
You are supposed to be like that. People are gonna like you. Some people are gonna hate you for it. So care a hell about who's gonna hate you, because don't change your personality for someone because you don't fit in.
ఏదో
You
ఒక
will
point
fit
of
in
time లో-
anywhere. You don't have to categorize yourself and be for a person to fit in. You don't have to. You will fit in anywhere in life. That's how God has made you. Nobody can take anybody's fate anywhere. Until and unless you ruin it from your own hand. That is different.
మన ఓన్ హ్యాండ్స్ తో రూయిన్ చేసుకున్నా కూడా రిగ్రెట్స్ ఉండదు ఆఫ్టర్ ఆల్.
Regrets you're supposed to regret 1 or 2 days, but then move on. Move on. Walk forward. If you stay in the past, babe, वो तो past ही हो जाएगा ना, babe. I personally feel जो मुझसे डरता है या तो वो झूठा रहेगा, चोर रहेगा, या तो कुछ तो गलत
not
रहेगा.
true
वो
to them.
हाँ, जो गलत रहेगा इंसान वो मुझसे दूर भागता है. क्योंकि मुंह पे लगाम नहीं है ना, from brain till my mouth. If you do wrong, I will say, babe, this is wrong. Whether you like it or don't like it. If you will not like it, you will never talk to me. And it will never matter to me also.
ఓకే.
It will never matter. What to do? माँ बाप ने वैसे ही रखा है, मेरा पप्पा वैसे रहता है. My dad is staying like this. I have seen my dad since childhood like that. You know that? Watch my exclusive interview on iDream Media with Harshini and please subscribe to this channel.